Both sisig, how to cook leftover fried or barbecue or roast chicken and still come out with a hilarious taste to this. This fast food takeout is fried chicken and roast chicken or barbecue chicken. It's a staple at parties. But what if you have a lot of leftovers and there are some left in the fridge half eaten? You don't want it to go waste because reality biting will still cost money. Them again just make the meat harder and unpalatable, and joining them together will what's up unless you can change them into a clean and safe dish as well as delicious one too. So recook them or reboot them. As you can see, he looks like a rock. Let's soften it first before we shred it. Can be shredded now. Then separate the meat from the chicken bones. Then cut into small pieces like this. Then cutting the chicken.
With St. Ives Blemish Care Face,
You will slice the garlic into small pieces. Same as onion. Then the ginger. And the chili. Squeeze the lemon. And these are the ingredients. As you can see. Fill the pot, heat it, and add cooking oil.
with St.
Wait
Ives
for the
Blemish
oil
Care
to
Face,
heat up. And add the onion. Mix it. Then put the chicken. Mix it well. Then cook the chicken for 5 minutes to soften the meat. After 5 minutes,
With Saint
mix the remaining ingredients. Then add vinegar to your taste and soy sauce.
with St. Ives Blemish Care Face.
It's cooked. Now I will taste. I will taste it if it is delicious. That's perfect. Delicious.